letters of Elias Lindenwold to a dear friend living with MECFS. In the heart of an ancient oakwood desk, tucked away from the world for decades, a hidden treasure lay waiting to be discovered. These treasures were a collection of heartfelt letters penned by a compassionate soul named Elias Lindenwold. Elias was a man shrouded in mystery, renowned for his kind and understanding nature, yet a recluse who kept his life's work and wisdom closely guarded. Recently, a serendipitous turn of events led to the unearthing of these long-lost letters. Stored away in a dusty attic of an old Bavarian manor, they were preserved through the passage of time, waiting for the moment when their message of empathy and hope would find its rightful audience. Through the miracles of chance and fate, these letters found their way into the hands of the Compassion Matters YouTube channel, a sanctuary for those seeking solace and understanding in the midst of life's challenges. It was as if the universe conspired to bring Elias Lindenwold's compassionate words to light once more, making them available exclusively on this channel for the benefit of all concerned. Within these letters, Elias has poured out his heart to a dear friend living with MECFS, offering comfort, understanding, and the warmth of